Good afternoon. Now let us start the seventh question. Trigonometry, seventh question. Already first six questions over. Now this is actually exercise 4.1. Am I right? Exercise 4.1, seventh question. Subdivision 1. Prove that this is equal to -1. I am start with LHS. Write the question clearly. LHS question. Now in rougher, already you know what is the idea? A, S, T, C, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270, 360. Am I right? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. 0 degree, 180 degree, 360. This is called unchanged. 270, 90 degree, 270 degree change. Am I right? This is the idea, fundamental idea. Now, sin 180. 180 means what? Unchanged. So sin becomes sin theta. Now 180 minus which quadrant? 180 minus means second quadrant. This is anti-clockwise only, no? 180 is sin minus something means second quadrant. Second sin only positive. That's why plus need not put any sign. Into cos of 90 plus theta. Cos 90 is coming. 90 means change. The cos become sin theta. After 90 plus, this is 90 plus something second quadrant. In second sign only positive. But what is that? Cos is there. Cos is what? Cos. That's a minus. Into tan of 270. Again 270 means change. But tan becomes cot theta. 270 minus the 270. Before this one is third quadrant. Tan positive. Tan positive. Already cos is tan. Need not put any sign. Last one is 360 unchanged. Cot becomes cot theta. 360 minus this is 360 minus something means fourth quadrant. This is actually what? Cos and reciprocal of cos is what? Second only positive. But here cot is there, that's why minus. In denominator, again sin 360. 360 unchanged. So sin becomes sin. But 360 minus fourth quadrant. Here cos only positive, that's why minus will come. Into cos of 360 plus 0, theta. 360 means unchanged. Cos becomes cos theta. 360 plus something means first quadrant all positive. Need not put percent. Into 270 change. Cos sin becomes cos theta. After 270 minus which quadrant? Third quadrant. T only positive, that's why put minus. Into cosine of minus theta. Already told you. Cos and secant is only for even function. Remaining all are odd function. So cosine of minus theta becomes minus cosecant theta. In this way, we will put the formula. Am I right? Cosecant minus cosecant theta. Now what are the same quantity will be cancelled? Am I right? What are the same quantity? Same quantity should be cancelled. The minus cancel. Am I right? Next one, sin theta into cot is what? Cos by sin. Again minus cos by sin. Here cos sin will cancel. Cos theta is there. Again minus cos theta is there. Cosecant theta is what? 1 by sin. Minus 1 by sin. Am I right? Because minus is there. Now again this will be cancelled. Minus cos cancel. Cos cancel. After denominator sign, here the denominator sign cancel. All that are cancel, only minus there. That is minus 1. That is RHS. Start with LHS. By using this idea, you will find the answer. LHS will definitely RHS will come. By you must know this idea. One table A, S, T, C. Then first quadrant all positive, second quadrant side positive. Tan positive, cos positive. Then 0, 180, 360 unchanged. 90, 270 change. In this way you find answer. That's all. Now, 7 subject 2. Prove that sin theta into cos theta into sin of pi by 2 minus theta cosecant theta plus cos pi by 2 theta minus pi by 2 minus theta into secant theta equal to 1. Now start with the LHS, the same thing. Now once again the previous idea only. The sin cos no change at. Am I right? Sin pi by 2. Pi is 180 by 2, 90. Sin 90 minus theta. 90 will change. Sin becomes cos theta. 90 minus, this is 90. Minus something means clockwise plus means anti-clockwise. In my 90 minus means first quadrant all positive. Need not plus sign. It cosine means 1 by sin. Am I right? Plus. Again cos 90 minus theta. 5 90 bar. Cos 90 minus is what? Sin theta. Because cos becomes sin and also pi by 2 minus theta is what? First quadrant positive. Into cosine is what? 1 by cos. Next take LCM. This is actually what? Cos by sin plus sin by cos. Now take LCM. Sin cos is LCM. Sin into cos LCM. Cross multiply cos into cos. Cos square plus sin sin square. This we cancel. Cos square plus sin square is 1. That is answer. By using small idea of simplification, we will get the answer. LHS RHS. That's all. Now 8th question, prove that equal to minus 1. Again, start with the LHS. 510 cos 330, 390 cos 120. More than 360 will come in. What I told you? The given angle can be as multiple 360 plus something. That's why cos of 360 plus 150. Am I right? Into the cos 330 can be as 360 minus 30 plus sin 360 plus 30. Am I right? This can be as cos 190 minus 60. Or below this is that's it, the same thing. More than 360 can be as 360. Multiple 360 is something. Now what I told you, 360 becomes 0. Because 360 means unchanged. Cos of 360 unchanged. Cos becomes cos 150. 360 plus is what? First quadrant positive. Or otherwise simple concept. The 360 model this will become 0. Multiple of 360 becomes 0. Remaining answer is cos 150. In cos here minus 30. Here sin 30. Here cos now 120. Now only you want to write previous area. Cos the 150 can 180 minus 30. Cos of negative angle, that is what? Positive. Only cos 30. This is also sin 30. This can be written as cos 180 minus 60. Now put the value. Cos of 180. 180 means unchanged. Cos becomes cos 30. 180 minus sin only positive. That's why minus. Already what is that? Cos 30 sir. Plus sin 30 sir. Into again cos 180 minus 60. 180 means unchanged. Cos 60. Am I right? Into 180 minus sin no, only negative. Here cos sin only positive. Here cos is coming, that's a minus. Now put the value 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Am I right? Here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is in the table. What is the answer? Root 3 by 2. Again root 3 by 2. Here sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 60 also 1 by 2. Now multiply minus 3 by 4 plus plus and minus 1 by 4. 4 is LCM. Minus 3 minus 1, that is what? Minus 4 minus 4. Sorry, plus 4. Cancel, we get 1. Minus 1, that is RHS. Definitely RHS is coming by using small this idea only. The more than 360 will come in. You want right? Multiple 360 plus something or minus it. That's not a matter. More than 360 involved mean multiple 360 plus something or minus something. And the multiple 360 became 0. You will find the remaining step. That's all. Ninth, first subdivision. Prove that equal to sin square x. Now start with the LHS. Now the tan, the pi is what? 180 plus x. Am I right? If we want the angle is first side. You want it in terms of angle is first side way. X minus pi can be as 180 minus x. Our integration means here minus will come. Am I correct? What is the reason? Already you know, cos and secant only even function, negative will not come. The remaining one, interchange into negative will come. The negative should be taken outside. Minus cot of x minus 5 becomes minus 5 plus x, you know, interchange. 180 minus x, that's why negative extra will come. Here, minus cos of 360 minus x into cos of 360 plus x. Because pi is 180, multiply 2. Now the previous area, 180 unchanged, tan become tan. 180 plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. 180 plus something, third quadrant, tan only positive. Into cot 180 minus x. What is the answer? Cot become cot x. 180 minus, actually by minus what? In second quadrant, sign only positive. Already what is that? Negative is there, that's a plus. Am I correct? Minus, already told you, 360 becomes 0. Cos of minus x is what? Only cos x. 360 becomes 0 in cos x. Am I correct? Now, tan is what? Tan is what? Sin by cos. Into cot is what? Cos by sin. Cos into cos what? Cos squared x. This will be cancelled. 1 minus cos squared x. The denominator, no, denominator identity for sin squared x is the answer. That is our lectures. What is the reason? The cos square plus sin square is only the trigonometry identity. Am I correct? We want sin square x. Up equal to what? 1 minus cos square x. Up equal to 1 minus cos square is sin square. This is a fundamental identity. Trigonometry identity. So pi is 180 and also you want to write in the terms of angle only first. That's why x minus 180 becomes 180 minus x. Interchange means one negative will extra will come, that minus will take outside because cot is odd function. If even function is, need not write the minus side. What are the even function? Cos and secant only even function. The remaining are all odd function. That's all. Now subdivision 2 prove that this is equal to minus sin A into cos squared A. Start with LHS. Now 180 plus A. 180 unchanged, sin becomes sin. 180 plus is what? Third quadrant, tan only positive, that's why minus. Into cos 90 minus A. 90 means cos becomes sin A. Cos plus sin A. 90 minus is first quadrant, positive, need not put plus sign. Into tan 270. Tan becomes cot because 270 change, tan becomes cot A. 270 minus is what? 270 minus third quadrant, tan only positive, tan is there, that's a need not put plus sign. Divided by, already told you, 540 can be written as 360 plus 180. 360 becomes 0. Am I correct? 360 plus 180 plus A. Am I correct? This that way you want to write cos A because 360 becomes 0, only cos A. Into here cosecant 270. The cosecant becomes secant A. 270 plus is what? Fourth quadrant. Cos only positive. Here cosecant is there. That's why negative. Am I right? Now this comes as minus sin into sin. Sin squared A into cot A divided by 360 becomes 0. 180 plus A. Secant 180. Secant 180 means unchanged. Secant becomes secant. 180 plus is what? This one, third quadrant. That's why negative. Am I right? Again, what is that? Cos A, sir. Again, minus secant A, sir. Now simplify, that is the answer. The minus cancel, no? Am I right? 1 minus is there, that's minus sin squared A. The cot is what? Cos A by sin A. Divided by secant is what? 1 by cos. Again 1 cos. The minus already here, written here, but did not write the minus. In the cos is what? 1 by, secant is 1 by cos. Am I right? 1 sin cancel. 1 cos cancel. What is reciprocal? Which is equal to minus is there, sin A is there. Here cos, here also cos, you know. Change reciprocal, cos into cos, cos squared A. That is RHS. Start with LHS, we get RHS. This type of problem, maybe 5 more question and 3 more question. Only by using this idea. You must follow that idea. That will be easy for you. In this exercise, the last problem, 10th problem, sin theta is given, tan pi is given. Theta value is nice with pi by 2 to pi. The pi and the pi is involving pi to pi by 3, pi by 2. That means what? By use this condition only we get the answer. That's very important. Now, first one is what? Given. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Am I right? Which implies this is actually what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Am I right? Left diagram. This is 90 degree. This is angle pi. Theta. A, B, C. Opposite is what? 3. Hypotenuse 5. We want AB. What is formula? What is formula? AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. This is the formula. Am I right? AB square we want. AC square is what? 3 square equal to pi square. AB square equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16. AB equal to plus or minus root of 16. Now you will consider plus or minus 4, you know. You will consider minus. What is the reason? No? Since the theta is in the, listen here, theta is what? Lies between 90 and 180. 90 and 180, what is the which quadrant? 90, 180. Am I correct? 270, 360, 0. A, S, T, C, no? This involving theta lies with 90. Pi is 180 by 290 to 180. Only this quadrant, second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign only positive. Remaining one negative, no? That's why we want to present negative sign. Now, therefore, we want in the question tan theta, you know, tan theta equal to what is the formula? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Am I right? But this what? Minus 4 by 5. This minus 4 by 5. This answer. Am I right? Theta is in the second quadrant. That's why sign only positive. What we want? We want tan theta. That's why consider that minus. In this way, you want to assume that's very important. From the first data to find the value of tan theta. For the next value, you will find secant pi. Afterwards, substitute here, we get the answer. Now, second one. First one, you know, again given tan pi equal to 1 by 2. Now, draw the diagram. This is pi, angle pi. Yeah. Tan pi is what? Opposite by adjacent. Here 1, here 2. Here also A, B, C. Am I correct? Now, tan pi is what actually? Opposite by opposite by adjacent equal to 1 by 2. From this idea, mark the 2 here, 1 here, then we want actually what? You will mark any place, no problem. A, B, C. Here A, here B, C. Am I correct? Now we want BC. That's why hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of the other sides. That is what? 2 square plus 1 square. BC equal to plus or root of 5. We got 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Now listen here. Out of 2 sign plus or minus, which sign you want to applicable? One is not possible, one is possible. Here the pi value is what? Pi to 3 pi by 2. Pi is 180, this is 270. 2 so A, S, T, C. Am I right? Tan only positive. Am I right? Tan only positive. That's the third quadrant. Since the pi is in the third quadrant, that's why we will get only minus root pi. Now what do we want? Secant pi. Secant pi is what? Reciprocal of cos pi. Cos pi is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse by x. Therefore secant pi equal to hypotenuse what? Minus root pi here. Am I right? At this one 2. Now only write the question. 8 tan theta minus root pi into secant pi equal to 8 into tan pi. Tan theta is what? Minus 4 by 5. root 5 into second is what? Minus root 5 by 2. Now multiply minus 32 by 5 minus when plus root 5 into 5 only 5 by 2. Now take LCM, we get the answer. Actually, sin theta 3 by 5. Tan is what? I wrote the formula actually wrong. Tan is what is the formula? Opposite by x is the formula. Am I right? Opposite is what? This side already found minus 4. So minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Substitute here. Minus 3 by 4. One time, two times. Now, this is minus 6 plus 10 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 2. Root 5 into root 5. Only 5. 2. Now take LCM. What is LCM? 2 is LCM. Minus 12 plus 5. So minus 7 by 2 is the answer. Meaning you must follow all the formula, previous formula also. In a right hand triangle, hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That's the same formula. And also, depends upon the given condition, this is 90 to pi. Theta is second quadrant. In second, sign only positive. But we want tan, no. That's why negative will come. In this way, that's why I want to assume only negative sign. Here also, pi is 180, 3 pi means what? 270. 180, 270, third quadrant. In third quadrant, A, S, T, C. Tan only positive or not positive. But if we want secant, that's why you will consider negative sign. Then as usual. This is important. Then only by using this idea only we get the answer. Suppose this condition is not given me, usually you will assume only positive. Usually the condition is not given me, usually consider only positive. But here, depends upon the given condition, you may use negative sign. That's important. When next exercise concept, we have so many formula. By using this formula only solve the problem. But trigonometric ratios of compound angles, sum and difference of the sine, cosine and tangent, sine, cos, tan, sine of A plus B, sine of A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Similarly, sine A minus B means sine only change. Cos of A plus B means cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Here minus means signs are changed. Tan of A plus B means tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here minus means here sign change. Here plus minus A minus plus. Am I right? The first formula only the standard formula. No proof actually. Only by using this formula only we get so many problems. We solve so many problems. That's why you must follow all the formula. Suppose putting B equal to A, what is the answer? B equal to A means A plus A, 2A sin 2A. Here also B, here also B is B, A, here also is A, no. Put B equal to A means here A. For sin A cos A, add equal 2 times sin A cos A. What I told you know, from the standard formula, you will derive so many formula. That's why so many formulas are there. Only all the formulas are derived from the previous formula only. From first formula, put B equal to A, here A plus A, 2A sin 2A, here A sin A cos A, here A sin A cos A, add equal sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A. Similarly, this problem, put B equal to A, what is the answer? B equal to A plus A, 2A cos 2A, here B equal to A means what? Cos square A. Here A means sin A square. For cos square A minus sin square A. Inside, the cos square is what? 1 minus sin square formula is no? 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square minus sin square minus 2 sin square. Inside, sin square equal to 1 minus cos square means cos square plus cos square, 2 cos square minus 1. What I told you know? Cos A plus, from the cos A plus formula, put B equal to A, we get this formula. Put the cos square 1 minus sin square, we get this formula. Put the sin square 1 minus cos square, no, this formula. For one formula, you derive 3 formula. But you just so many formulas there. But all the formulas are derived from previous formula. That's all. In this way, here also put P equal to A, tan A plus A, 2A. Put tan 2A equal to, here also A, no? Put tan A plus tan A, tan 2A, 2 tan A. Here also tan A, put A equal to, B equal to A means A, tan A, tan A, tan A, 1 minus tan squared A. Similarly, sin 3A, this is the formula, cos 3 is the formula, tan is the formula. This formula also, sin 3A can be as sin A plus 2A. Sin A plus 2A. It is of the form A plus B. By using the first formula, afterwards, by using sin 2 formula, sin 3 formula, after this formula will come. Anyway, these are standard formula. But these are all coming from the previous formula only. Next exercise, for the next exercise, you must know this all the formula. These formulas are very, very important. Not only in 11th standard, in the calculus also, this formula, sin A plus B, cos A plus B formula, very, very important. You must know this formula. Next class, by using this formula, I will explain next class, next exercise. That's all.